The Fetch API provides an interface with more powerful and flexible feature set than XMLHttpRequest to the JavaScript developers for fetching resources across the network. Same like XMLHttpRequest, we have two generic objects, which are request and response. Fetch provides a generic definition of request and response, which allow them to be used wherever they are needed, that require you to generate your response programmatically. The best part of fetch method is, it returns promise, that resolves to the response as soon as the server responds with headers, even if a server returns a response with an HTTP error status. The specifications of fetch method differs from the jQuery AJAX. The fetch response will be resolved normally with OK status, even if the response status is an HTTP 404 or 500. It will be only rejects on network failure or if anything prevent the request from completing. Fetch won't send cross-origin cookies unless the credentials are set at the time of initialization. Because the default credentials policy has been updated to the same origin since April 2018. The Fetch API allows you to request asynchronously. A typical fetch request consists of two await calls, where first await get the response from the URL, and second await generate that response's body. Or you can directly use fetch without await, where you can see the promise chain. If you notice the structure of fetch method, it has only two parameters. One is URL and second is options, which contains method of fetch, cross-origin credentials, headers, etc. Reading response is very easy by converting response to different formats. There are some methods are available which returns a promise that resolves with the complete contents of the fetched resources. Beside the JSON method, the response object has other methods such as text, blob, form data, and array buffer to handle the respective type of data. We can handle response status codes. There are two major properties. First property is status, which returns status code like 200 or 404. And second property is status text, which return text, whether it is OK in case 200 and not found in case status is 404. There is one more property which is OK property. It may be either true or false. You can handle errors or request failure by catch method or try catch statement. Catch method will only called when the web browser timeout, CORS violation or a network loss. So, this is all about the Fetch API. But, what if the feature of an API is not supported by the user's browser? Is there any chance? Probably yes. Window interface provides a property which helps to find whether the browser supports a Fetch API or not. If the browser support the feature, then great. Enjoy your coding with Fetch API. Or else, do some XMLHttpRequest code. That's it for the Fetch API theory. Thank you.